Welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I'm going to show you how to hide your inventory on Roblox mobile. So basically, if you don't want your friends to see your inventory and see what you have, I'm going to show you how you can hide that today. Okay, so basically what you want to do is go to your Roblox app, open it up, and then in the bottom corner, look for a more option. Go ahead and tap on more or those three dots. And then on the next screen, you're going to go ahead and scroll down until you see the settings. Go ahead and select settings next. And then on the next screen, go ahead and go to privacy. Once you tap on privacy, just wait a second for it to load and then scroll down. You're going to scroll past all the camera stuff and you're going to go past ad preferences and all that to other settings. Once you go to other settings, you should see an option at the very bottom of that for who can see my inventory. And right now it's probably set to everyone. So just go ahead and tap on that and there should be a drop down and you can set it to either friends, people you follow, or just no one. So if you want to just select no one, now nobody can see anything that you have in your inventory. Hopefully that's helpful for you guys. Throw me a thumbs up if it was. Have a great day.